distinguished guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. As we embark on the 33rd year of existence of our great organization, I am reminded of the efforts and determination to pursue excellence and serve the needy and disadvantaged by the founders and the earlier officers of the APPO. I admire, acknowledge, and appreciate their determined perseverance that they put forth to guide, nurture, and let grow our beloved APPO to a very wonderful organization that it is today. To name some of the accomplishments would include, as previously mentioned, the annual medical surgical mission to the Philippines, aid to the victims of catastrophic events, charity medical service here in Ohio, continuing medical education for members, providing scholarship to poor and deserving students, medical students in the Philippines, and other worthwhile activities. So with this awesome legacy in the background, I am deeply humbled in assuming the presidency of this superb organization. However, I humbly accept the challenge to lead the organization to a fruitful and meaningful year, as my eminent predecessors have done over the years. I know that with your help and support, we can only succeed and achieve our goals. Aside from the usual activities we do every year, one of the primary goals that I think we should focus our attention to, as many of you have pointed out in the previous meetings and conversations, is to recruit young physicians to the APPO. As you know, this is very vital for the continuing growth and existence of this organization. We will ask the help of our young physician officers, Dr. John Bautista, President-elect, and Dr. David Tolentino, newly elected board member, to help us recruit. I would like to announce that we'll be asking for volunteers to render pre-medical care in your offices to some patients. The number will be up to you for, say, 6 months, a year, or more. Dr. Neri and I will be in contact with the North Coast Health Ministry, a very benevolent organization providing charity medical service to the needy, which is based in Lakewood, Ohio, on how we as an organization can be of help to them. This probably may include, for some of you, to donate your time in treating some of their patients. An ambitious plan to provide CMA meetings every 2 months is in the works, and with your help and our friends in the pharmaceutical industry, I am sincerely optimistic that this will come to fruition. I also wish to strengthen and enhance our political action committee, and may be aware of the government and insurance industry policies that affect all of us, and this will be spearheaded by Dr. Logis Yoson. Also, maybe it's time again to take a look and or revise our constitution and bylaws under the leadership of Dr. Tess Tabora. Once again, I'm asking for your support, and paraphrasing a famous U.S. president, ask not what the APPO can do for you, but rather ask what you can do for the APPO. Some have said in the past that ours is an organization on the decline, mainly based on the fact that all of us are not getting any younger. I beg to differ, as I know that there is no limit to what we can accomplish, young or old, if we only put our collective minds to work. And in conclusion, I want to leave you a challenge and a quote from a famous author. Let us leave our footprints in the sands of time. I thank you.